Welcome to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. We're going to talk about the barbecue items that you need to get started to make the grilling experience a whole lot better. If you don't know, I have an Instagram page, and if you could give me a follow over on Instagram, I'd appreciate it a lot. One of the most important things about grilling is to have a great grilling experience when you're doing it, because without a great grilling experience, you won't grill as often and you may give up on grilling pretty quickly. The items that I've chosen in this list hopefully will give you that great experience to keep you grilling year-round. First thing we're going to talk about is the Weber Kettle Performer. The Weber Kettle Performer has 4 legs and 4 wheels, which make it extremely easy to move around. 2 of the wheels on the Weber Kettle Performer have locking casters. The Weber Kettle Performer also has a large metal table. This table is extremely strong and durable. Check this out. I have 2 25-pound weights on the table, and the table handles that weight extremely well. As you can see, it is not tipping over. This table makes the grilling experience a lot better because it gives you a large working surface, especially when you're doing meats that you have to wrap, like brisket or ribs. This Weber Kettle also has hooks to keep your barbecue tools off the top of the table, and it has an easy to use vent and ash clean and removal system. The Weber Kettle Performer also has a lid thermometer, and if you use the Weber Kettle as it was designed to use, this lid thermometer is extremely useful. The Stay Cool handle on the top vent prevents your fingers from burning, and the heat deflector under the top handle also keeps the handle from getting too hot. You don't have to worry where to put your lid because this Weber kettle has a lid bail which you can slide your lid directly into. And there's also some convenient storage space right under the kettle. You'll get 2 fire baskets that really do supply you with all your smoking and grilling configuration needs. The Weber Kettle Performer comes with this grill grate system. The center grate is removable, and you can get all of these attachments to slide right in the center of that grate for other cooking experiences. To improve the grilling experience, I feel like you're going to need a chimney starter, fire starter, and a lighter. Now here are all of my chimney starters, and yes, they are all Weber Kettle chimney starters because I just think their design is the best and fastest way to get your fire started. I have the large chimney starter, and I also have these handy smaller chimney starters. I feel like I need both, but if I were to only get one, it would be the large one. Both sizes have this cone shape in the center that allows the fire under to hit more coal surface area, which allows your fire to get started faster. For the fire starter, I recommend that you do not use lighter fluid. Instead, use something like this Superior brand of fire starter. I really like this brand because it's all natural and it's made in the USA. And inside the bag, you'll find these convenient single-use sizes. Now you're going to need a good lighter to start that fire starter. This one is a Scripto lighter. It works really well. In the wind, it will blow out, and if your fire keeps blowing out when you're trying to light your fire starter, it does get a bit annoying. So to prevent that, I also have some windproof lighters. This lighter is kind of your traditional shape, but it's the Bernzomatic lighter that I was really disappointed in. The flame was kind of strong when I first bought it, but as it ages, the flame gets weaker. Now here is the pin style of Bernzomatic, and as you can see, it shoots out a flame and it lights up the fire starter really quick. And just so you can see it all together, the Weber Kettle chimney starter just goes right on top. Now we'll just let chimney starter and the fire starter do its thing. To keep that enjoyable grilling experience going, you're going to need a thermometer to take the internal temperature of all your protein. I have had a lot of different thermometers in the past few years, and my favorite thermometer that I've gotten is this ThermoWorks ThermoPop 2 thermometer. For the features that this thermometer has, it really is a great value for your money. This thermometer has an accuracy within 1 degree and a rotating display that is backlit. The case has a drain hole, so you don't have to worry about liquid getting stuck in the thermometer case. And it also has this convenient pin clip that you can put right into your pocket securely. Another item that keeps your great grilling experience going are quality barbecue tools. This summer, I'll be using the Made in the USA Lamson barbecue tools. The Lamson barbecue tools conveniently have these leather straps that you can hang right onto the Weber Performer barbecue hooks. All 4 of the premium brand have wooden handles which insulate your hand from the heat. All of these tools are about 20 inches long, and the reason why you want this length is because when you're using them, your hand won't be over the fire getting burned. If you want some of these Lamson products for yourself, I have a generous site-wide discount code in the description below. All of them are very sturdy. Here are some items that we always conveniently forget to talk about to make a great grilling experience. And these items are a good grill cleaner and towels. I like to use the CitraSafe brand of grill cleaner. The reason why I like CitraSafe is because you can clean your grill grates while they're still cool. You can get the kit that comes with a scrub pad and a handle, and it also comes with an exterior grill cleaner. You're also going to need an inexpensive set of towels like these. These towels are inexpensive, they're durable, and you can wash them and use them over and over. Take a look at my grill grates. They still have all the sticky stuff left over from my last cook. I'll just spray the grill grates with the CitraSafe cleaner, and then I'll let them sit for a minute or two. And then if I rub them with my finger, you can see that the CitraSafe is already working. Now I'll just take the scrubber and scrub the grill grates to loosen all the debris. And then I'll just use one of those towels and wipe off the grime. And then take a look at this towel. Now, a lot of people say that's seasoning, but to me, that's just disgusting. It does not make your food taste better. Real herbs, salt, pepper, and real seasoning makes your food taste better, not that. And take a look at what a good job this does. Look at those grill grates. You can see the metal, and that's how you know your grill grates are clean. And now I want to talk about 2 items that really improve the grilling experience, and that is a tray and grid combo. I have several sizes. This small one I'll use for smaller cooks. I also have a large one that I can fit a lot of protein on. The tray of this tray grid combo can also be used as a drip pan or water pan. However, the one I use the most is this one, which I'll have a link in the description. It actually fits the best on your Weber kettle. I've already seasoned the hamburger patties on the grid, and now I'm going to transfer them all to the Weber kettle to reverse sear in one shot. Later, when I'm ready to take them off, I can remove them all at the same time. And that may not seem like a big deal, but when you grill a lot, it really is kind of a big deal to me to be able to have that convenience in the items that I grill with. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, take a second, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching a View to a Grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.